Hi guys, today we will talk about how to choose only on contact who can see your picture profile photos on your Skype app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Skype app. So all you have to do, just go up here, you click here on your picture here on app, then it's going to take you here in this window. And all you have to do now, so just go down and you come here to settings, you click here on settings, then it's going to take you here in settings window, and you just click here on account profile, then it's going to take you here in this window. And all you have to do now, so you just click here on profile picture here, then it's going to take you here in this window. You come here to choose who can see your profile picture here. You will click here on contact only, and you click here. And when you click here, sorry, I have no picture, but if you have it, you just click here and it's going to turn on with you. So that's all. So just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.